Welcome to this first video in a new series on Model Railways Unlimited. Normally I'll cover one loco or class of loco per video, taking inspiration from the book Southern Album. However, as this is the first video, we'll take a look at two related locos. The T9, introduced to services on the London South Western Railway back in 1899. Designed for express passenger work by Drummond. 66 were eventually built and saw several improvements throughout their service careers. The class operated until 1963, when the last example, number 30120, was withdrawn. 30120 was subsequently preserved by the National Railway Museum. The T9 class locomotives were well liked by their crews, and gained the nickname Greyhounds early in their operational career due to their good turn of speed. The model, number 714, was scratch built using various bits of kits left over. It's presented in SR passenger green, dated 1938, and has an X04 motor with 1001 armature and 40:1 gears, and is of the narrow cab type. The chassis is entirely scratch-built. Dad's standard construction was for an X04 type motor with a 5-pole Airfix armature, or an Airfix 1001 motor and 40:1 gears. The London and South Western Railway L12 class was a class of 20 440 steam locomotives designed for express passenger work by Drummond. They were introduced to the London South Western Railway network in 1904. The class gained the nickname Bulldogs from their crews due to their butch appearance. The L12s were initially rostered to 9 Elms, Bournemouth and Salisbury depots. They came about to ward off competition from the Great Western Railway. They had a high centre of gravity. Number 421 was involved in a Salisbury high-speed derailment on the 10th of June 1906, resulting in 28 fatalities due to taking a curve too fast. None of these handsome locos survived into preservation. The model, number 428, was adapted from Will's T9 kits. SR passenger green of 1938 again, with a scratch-built chassis. Thanks goes to Cressy Publishing Limited for allowing me to share images from the book. Check out their website, it's well worth it.